Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on fences and walls will provide you with the necessary steps to access and create fence and wall objects. The Create Fences and Walls tool enables you to easily create fences and walls in a precise dimension, shape, and texture you require. The output can be saved as a SIMmetry group of objects or as a feature layer. A fence or wall can be created through the simple view by clicking on the required fence or wall image, or through the advanced view that enables manual setting of relevant parameters. Let us begin by going over where the Create Fences and Walls tool can be accessed. To access the Create Fences and Walls tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Objects tab, then in the 3D group, click on the 3D object and select Fences and Walls. The Create Fences and Walls tool will be displayed. To create a fence or wall object using a simple view, in the Create Fences and Walls tool, select the required fence or wall style by clicking on a fence or wall image. This will automatically set the appropriate texture file as well as other parameters and create the project tree group that contains all created fences and walls. To create a fence or wall object using the Advanced view, in the Create Fences and Walls tool, click Advanced. The fence and wall properties sheet displays with fence and wall parameters. In the General Settings section, enter the following parameters: object type, create as, and visibility distance. Next, enter the parameters that are relevant for the selected object type: wire strand settings, fence post settings, wall post settings, and fence settings. Then finally select one of the following methods of designating the fences and walls to be created. Follow line. This will build a fence or wall along a line. Create polygon. This will build a fence or wall along a polygon's borders. Select a group. Build fences or walls along all polygons and polylines in the selected group or layer. And finally is from the clipboard method, and this will build a fence or wall along a polyline or polygon clipboard object. We went over where the Create Fences and Walls tool is accessible and how to create these objects. This concludes the tutorial on fences and walls. For more information, refer to Chapter 13, Objects tab, in SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.